KNW stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether No Labs stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. 20% up. I'm gonna just take a decent look at the weekly chart and just, yeah, it's a bearish chart. I think I've already done my prediction, right? I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships and documented everything, and now we're just observing KNW or No Lab stock. The only thing that would actually really count this as a bullish market is, or just something, you know, be bullish on this or whatever, is if it starts breaking above 37 cents. But we're nowhere near that. That's why it looks like this. And if I see a double break, I'm looking to take things short. Simple as that. So that's how KNW looks like for me. In the meantime, all I will keep doing is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye. Enjoy.